Hey friends, today we're going to make a super great casserole. This is a casserole recipe that I found way back in an old 1970s magazine. So I know that this is an old recipe, but it is a great recipe. It's hamburger, pasta, hamburger noodles, pasta, some cream soups, some veggies. We're going to bring it all together all in one pan. Super easy to make, and it's going to be a delicious casserole for your family. So stay tuned. Let's make this one. Let's get into it. We're going to start out by cooking our noodles in boiling water. Then we're going to chop up an onion. We're going to chop up a nice red bell pepper. Right behind that, I'm going to chop up and dice up a nice green bell pepper. I'm going to brown my ground beef, and I'm going to start adding my onion to the ground beef. I'm going to let that cook and become fragrant. I'm going to, right behind that, add that green bell pepper, and then of course that red bell pepper coming in next. And we're going to let that cook all together for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to take a separate mixing bowl, add my beef consomme soup to that mixing bowl. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce and some pepper and some salt just to give it some nice seasoning. We're going to give that a quick stir, and we're going to set that aside. I'm going to grease a 9x13 dish, and then in another bowl, I'm going to add my meat and my cooked noodles together. Then I'm going to pour the consomme beef sauce mixture that we mixed together and pour that all over the top. I'm going to give it a really good mix. We want to make sure that that's all combined very, very well. Next, I'm going to come in with 2 cans of tomato soup, and I'm also going to make sure that that's mixed and combined very, very well. And as you can see, this is super easy to put together. Last but not least, before we dump it in the 9x13 pan, I'm going to add about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and we're going to give that another mix to make sure that it's all combined very, very well. Now we're going to dump it into the 9x13 pan. I'm going to make sure that the noodle mixture kind of rests pretty evenly. I'm going to pop it in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes uncovered. Next, I'm going to take it out of the oven, and I'm going to add more cheese to the top. There we go. We're going to put more cheese on the top. I'm going to pop it back in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes until that cheese browns up real nice. Next, I'm going to pop up a recipe card for you so that you can take a quick screenshot of this hamburger noodle casserole recipe that we're making here together today. And if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, if you could hit that subscribe and like button, that would be great. Now we're going to get ready to taste this wonderful hamburger noodle casserole. All right, here is our hamburger noodle casserole, or baked spaghetti, however you want to slice it. Let's see if we can let it set up a little bit. It's smelling really good. See if we can get a nice hunk out of here. Now I want to know, oh yeah, look at that. Ooh yeah, friends, this one's going to be good. All that creamy, those vegetables in there. Yeah, she's pretty. Great casserole, look at that. All right, I forgot my fork again, so hang on one moment. All right, let's see just how delicious this is. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. Hamburger, noodles, baked spaghetti, all the spices in there. Ooh, you're gonna love this one. So I'd like to know, this recipe goes back to the 70s. I'd like to know in the comments below what recipes you like still from the 70s. Maybe there's something that you could share with me, because I would love to dig into some more vintage type recipes. I know I still make quite a few back from the 70s or from childhood, but oh, this is so good. I'm gonna have a second bite. The flavor of the bell peppers in this one really make this recipe pop. And that consomme beef soup is key to this recipe as well, because it gives it that nice hearty beef flavor mixed in with the noodles and the cheese. It's delicious. Hey, listen, thanks for showing up, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.